Hello, do you know what the multiplication symbol looks like? Okay, so there's multiple symbols out there that you need to learn, but this is going to be really easy because once you've seen it, you understand it, you'll never forget it. Okay, so we've got a subtraction symbol like this. We've got an addition symbol like this. We've got the equal symbol, okay, which goes at the end of the number sentence. You've got a percentages symbol, and then you've got a division symbol like this, okay? So there's only one left. Do you know what it looks like? See if you at home can either write it down, okay, or tell me what it looks like before I finish writing it, okay? So multiplication looks like this, okay? So it is two diagonal lines going together to make like an X, this. And a multiplication question could look like this. So it could be 10 times 2 equals what? 20. Well done, okay? And that is what the symbol looks like and how it's used. All right, use this information, play next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!